In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Excel to Wrike, and trust me, it's simpler than it sounds. If you find yourself juggling multiple projects and want to streamline your workflow, this process will be a game changer. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you get your data from Excel into Wrike smoothly. To start with, you'll need to log into your Wrike account. If you're not already logged in, head over to your Wrike login page. You'll see the option labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your login details. For a quick process, especially if you're working on a shared or personal computer where security isn't a massive concern, clicking on Google is a great option. It simplifies the login process by linking directly with your Google account. Once you choose your account, you're in. Now the next step involves navigating to the project where you intend to import your Excel data. If you're already familiar with your Wrike dashboard, this should be a breeze. Locate your project from the list. Once you're in your project space, you'll find yourself presented with a table view of your tasks. Look at the table view options to ensure you're in the right spot. Once there, you'll want to look for the icon that represents typically more options. The three dots. Yes, those three little dots can sometimes hold wonders, and here they unleash the power of exporting data. Click on them and a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you can perform multiple tasks related to the data you are viewing. From this drop-down menu, the next step is crucial. Find the option that says Export this table to Excel. By clicking on this, Wrike starts the export process for the data in your selected table view. You might be prompted to confirm the action or given some options such as which format or the type of Excel file you would prefer. Make the necessary selections as per your requirement. And there you have it, the crux of transferring your data from Excel into Wrike. This process helps maintain consistency across your data reporting while giving you the flexibility to work in environments you are comfortable with. Remember, while using Wrike, the system allows for dynamic real-time updates, perfect for teams that need continuous collaboration. Congratulations, you've just successfully learned to export data from Excel to Wrike. By following these straightforward steps, you can now ensure your project data stays up to date and easily accessible. Whether you're managing a team or working on a solo project, this method will keep your data organized and your workflow seamless. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to click the like button or subscribe for more tips on optimizing your workflow.